Hey everybody, what's up? We're going to do a quick video today on packing skis for a trip and doing it in a cost-efficient, safe manner. Safe meaning safe for the equipment. So I got two pairs of skis here, two sets of poles, clothes for me, clothes for my daughter. We're going to pack these up, go into this ski bag, padded ski bag. And best place to get a ski bag I've found is like Sierra Trading Post. They tend to have really good deals on bags. I've got a couple of different ski bags. This one I use when I'm doing two sets of skis. If I'm just going by myself, I have a different bag that's just a little smaller. Otherwise it's too hard to pack it tight in there so they're not getting banged up and stuff. I have skied for probably 15 years of traveling all over the US. And never had a problem doing it this way. So it's worked well for me, but let's get started. So typically going to use black plastic garbage bags like this. These are twofold, one for preventing the sharp edges from cutting my clothes up, and two, when I come back, if I ski the day before and any of my gear is a little bit wet, when I go to pack it back in here, I'm not really worried about like edges rusting on my clothes, which absolutely would be a concern. Again, I never had it happen. I never really give it the chance because I've always done this and just use the plastic bags. I reuse the bags over and over and over again. I just keep putting them back in the ski bag when I'm done, and they're there the next time I'm taking a trip. So just kind of wrap bags around like so. Okay, open the bag up here. And this particular bag, they go in, I kind of interlock the bindings. So the bindings from one set kind of fit in between the other sets, so you can kind of feel where they are in there. So you could see the bindings, well, you probably can't see, but the binding for my daughter's ski is kind of in between my bindings, and that saves a little space as well. So the big issue I always was concerned about when I was traveling is the skis getting damaged, right? I do not want my skis getting wrecked. You guys, if you ski, you know you spend a lot of money on skis. Not cool if they get damaged. So what I do is I use the coats as like a little bit of a protective wrap for the skis, a little bit more cushion. There is some padding in these ski bags, but I mean, why not? And then I don't have another bag. You know, I don't need a bigger bag for the boots and stuff because I don't need to stuff those in here. So just gonna wrap these around here. I've got it kind of tucked under on the bottom too, so it's padded all the way around. On the other side with my clothes here, just gonna take those, especially the tips. I like stuffing the clothes down in here so that the ends of the skis don't get banged around. As baggage handling, not always great. I'm sure there are great baggage handlers out there, but I'm not taking the risk. So just get these wrapped around. Again, I'm bringing a vest this time. So what I tend to do is you don't want to load up a ton in the middle here because your bindings are the biggest part. So to zip this thing up, that's going to be the tightest area. So don't put a ton, like with this extra vest, I'm kind of keeping that towards the other side. Like so. Get started on this side. Work your way down. And this isn't rocket science, zipping it up, but I'll show you when I'm done here. The level of padding that you end up getting is pretty remarkable. And again, you're saving having to have another bag in case your boot bag can't fit everything in there. I have a pretty large boot bag I use in this case because we have 2 sets of skis and boots and all the assorted other gear. So that one, I'll have 1 ski bag and 1 boot bag for this situation. Again, Southwest does not, I say again, I don't know if I said that. Oh, this one's starting to rip already. That's part of the reason why you don't want to put a ton in the middle. Southwest does not charge for ski gear. So you get 1 ski bag, 1 boot bag at no charge. Does not even count against your 2 check bags that Southwest provides for you. So that's why we tend to fly Southwest a lot. Now it's 2025, they do that now. Who knows if they're gonna keep doing it, but they do it now, and as long as they keep doing that, I will keep flying them. If they change it, I will find someone else. So we get that strapped in there. I try to tuck these ends in so they're not just flying around getting caught on belts and things. And there you have it. As you can see, lots of padding all the way around, and you've got a bag that's ready for travel. So that's all I have for you today. Hopefully that helps you and gives you a little insight on how to do this in a more budget friendly way and keeping your gear safe at the same time. Thanks a lot. Have a great rest of your day.